In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the from email and reply to email in GoHighLevel. First, let's get clear on what we're configuring. The from email is the address your contacts see in their inbox as the sender. It's tied to your email sending provider and becomes the default for all emails unless you override it. The reply to email is where responses go when someone hits reply. These can be the same or different depending on your workflow and team structure. Start by setting up the from email. In your account, head to settings, then open email services. Choose your sending option, such as a native provider, a connected SMTP, or another supported service. Connect your domain so you're sending from a branded address, then add or update the from email address and the from name you want recipients to see. Save your settings. Make sure your domain is verified with proper DNS records so your messages deliver reliably and don't land in spam. This step establishes your default sender for all communications. Next, set the reply to email at the account level. Go to Settings, then Company, and open Business Info. Find the section for default email and reply to email. Enter the inbox where you want replies handled, like your support or admin address, and save. Remember, the reply to can be different from the from email. This is helpful if you want brand recognition on the send, but need replies to route to a shared team inbox. If you want to tailor sender details for a specific campaign or broadcast, you can override them inside the email builder, go to Marketing, then Emails, and create or open your message. Click Settings in the top right and fill in the from name from email and reply to email for that dig. Save before you exit. This is great when you want one campaign to come from sales and another from coaching or support, while keeping your global defaults intact. You can also set these values on a per email basis inside Automations. Open Automations, then Workflows, and select the workflow that sends emails. Click into an email step, then look to the right side panel for from name, from email, and reply to email. Enter the custom values you want and save. This keeps each automation aligned with the correct department or brand voice. Before you launch, send a test to yourself and confirm both the from and reply to behave as expected. Stick to your verified domain, avoid free webmail addresses, and keep naming consistent for trust and deliverability. You're all set to send with confidence.